Baby.
Hey, breakfast is served.
Yeah. I have to hurry up and go to work.
So, do you remember what today is?
Can you remind me? I can't remember it.
Why do you always do this? Why?
What have I done now?
I mean, it's been 3 years of our relationship and you still make the same mistake. You still forget one important day of my life. It's my birthday.
Oh, shoot.
And you promised to take me out for dinner. That's if you remember that part.
Not again. Babe, I'm sorry. I apologize. From the deepest part of my heart. Listen, listen, I know it's been crazy and I take the blame. I'm very, very bad at remembering your birthdays. It's just, I promise to make it up to you. All right? I promise to make it up to you, but not today. Not today. I can't do anything today because I have someone important who's coming from Ibadan. We have a very, important meeting to attend together. So
I knew this will happen again. I don't understand. Who am I to you?
Okay, hold
Am
on.
I dating myself?
I know what to do.
I mean, you feel absolutely nothing for me. Sometimes I ask myself if I'm the one dating myself and not you. Why do you keep doing this? What are you doing?
Hey, it's not what you think. Just relax.
What do I think?
It's not that bad.
You're never available for me on my birthdays or my important days.
All right. I just transferred 500,000 naira. You know what you should do? Listen, take your friends out. Do some fun stuff. Enjoy yourself. It's your birthday. Don't bother making dinner. I'm taking you out when I come back tonight. All right?
I do not need your money, Justin. I need you. What I want for my birthday or as a birthday gift is you, my man, and not your money. I don't want it. Please.
Unfortunately, babe, there's nothing I can do. I have to go.
You have to go?
Yeah, I have to go.
You haven't even touched your phone.
I have something to do. There's someone is coming from Ibadan. I have to go.
Justin.
Make the sunset on your feet. Make your wish to reality.
Justin!
Complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my
Justin,
heart.
wait!
Thinking of our future, that it will be so bright.
Ezuga! Musa, open the gate. I'm late for work. Ezuga!
Justin, come back here! Musa, shut the gate!
Madam, look what a quest they do me like this.
Open the gate. I'm going to work.
Ezuga!
Musa, don't dare me. Shut the gate.
Babe.
Madam, they let me put a quest to the family problem. Why they do me like this?
Do not open that gate. Shut it.
Babe, what's wrong with you? I thought I apologized.
But I was trying to talk to you, right?
Babe, come on, I'm late. I have to meet up someone coming from Ibadan. I told you that.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm sorry. I know how you feel, but I'm sorry now, please. I promise to make it up to you when I get back today from work.
It's always the case with you, Justin. I'm tired. So stay back.
Juliet, I love you, but don't do me like this. I have to go to work. It's important I go. I promise to make it up to you when I come back. Okay? Please? I'm sorry, no. I'll make it up to you, I promise.
Whatever.
I love you.
Leave me alone.
I love you.
The world. Make the sunset on your feet. Make your wish to reality. But you keep complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my heart. Thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible. It doesn't mean that I do not have in my heart. Anywhere I go,
Clara, am I not beautiful? Am I that ugly?
You're not ugly. You're so beautiful. Have you looked at yourself in the mirror? Look, seriously, I don't know what's even wrong with Justin. He feels that money is everything, that he can actually use money to appreciate a woman. Doesn't even have your time, nothing. What kind of human being is that?
You know, most times I ask myself if I'm that ugly that he can't even display me in public. That's why he's always hurting me in the dark.
No, not at all. The fact that you refused accepting his money shows that you're not in this relationship because of his money.
Maybe he has run off to the next woman.
No. Why are you getting yourself so worked up? Hmm?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Okay, no problems. We can speak to the minister on his behalf, and our company is quite reputable, so we are known for our integrity. We are known for our integrity, yes. Yes. All right, thank you very much. Okay. All right, thank you. All right, yeah. Hi, how are you? Thank you.
All the documents are intact.
All right, that'll be all. Thank you.
A quick reminder, sir.
Yeah.
Today is Juliet's birthday. Aren't you supposed to be there?
Yeah, you're right, but I have a lot of work to do.
So do you even have time for yourself?
Yeah, I'm a very busy man, and that's because I have to make a lot of money for my unborn children.
But don't you think you have to be there with her? Most especially today, she needs you more.
I'll do that. All right. Thank you very much. Okay.
Seriously, I don't know what you're still doing with that guy. Because he doesn't even have your time. He's always very busy. Today of all days that's supposed to be your birthday, Justin is not here to celebrate with you. That's not nice. I can't even date such a guy. Seriously, jeez.
But I'm not going to deny the fact that he supports me financially extremely, and he makes sure I lack absolutely nothing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So money is more important than his presence. My dear, you need your man. You need him badly. He has to be around you all the time.
I just have to hold on firm to what I have now. At least he has promised to take me out on dinner.
Well, that's a good idea. I just hope he doesn't disappoint. Or probably he comes up with some kind of flimsy excuses of him being busy at work and all that. But don't quote me wrong. The money is actually important because, you need to pay your bills. But seriously, you need your man around you.
Even if he comes up with the excuses, I'll just have to forgive him because there are only few men that can take care of a babe in this way Justin is taking care of me. It's not easy.
Yes, I understand very well. You need to pay bills and all that. The money is important. But please, today's your birthday, Jerry.
Yeah, what do I offer you, please?
No, nothing.
No.
See, I am the one that will spoil you. I'll take you out, buy you lots of gifts. You understand now? I'm going to spoil you. Bills on me, baby. Anything that makes you happy, I'll do it.
Thank you so much, my friend. But please, we have to hurry up so I can still come back for dinner. Remember, we planned dinner.
Suit yourself.
Thank you.
Girl, you need to go dress up because I think you're becoming lazy right now.
You're right. Let me just.
There's no time.
Who's there? Come in. Come in.
Come in.
Wow.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Please, I'm looking for Miss Juliet.
I'm the one.
This is for you.
Who sent it?
There's a letter inside.
Do you have an idea of who sent this? Don't you have an idea?
We just have to find out.
Okay. Oh my
Thank you.
goodness.
Okay, ma'am.
Wow. This is
From your love, Justin Collins.
Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! Oh my god, my baby!
Wait. Justin. I am so dumbfounded. Like, oh,
I told you.
this is so romantic. But I thought he doesn't have time for all of this. So where's this coming from?
Do not judge a book by the cover. We are going to have
paint-
fun.
In fact, we're gonna paint the town red,
Blue,
black,
green.
everything.
You don't have time for me. I've been begging on my knees. This is breaking my heart. How long can I take this thing? Oh, every beat of my heart still calls for you, and every breath I take just feels so blue. This is ache in my soul, it won't subside. Darling, where are you? Don't leave my side. The house is filled with empty spaces, spaces where your laughter used to bloom. Silent echoes in this hallowed room. I only see you when the moon is blue. Oh, every beat of my heart still calls for you, and every breath I take just feels so blue. This is ache in my soul, it won't subside. Darling, where are you? Don't leave, don't leave. Every beat of my heart still calls for you, and every breath I take, it feels so blue. This is breaking my soul, and it won't subside. My darling, where are you?
I buy you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality, or you keep complaining. Every trip I make, always have you in my heart, thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible. It doesn't mean that I do not have in my heart. Anywhere I go, I do it for you. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me, I'm doing this for you. Why are you complaining about everything?
Excuse me,
Girl,
sir.
you have my heart.
Please give this to Juliet and wish her a happy birthday on my behalf.
Oh, really? Oh, that's nice of you. But you shouldn't have bothered.
So it's nothing. She's a good woman and she deserves better. Please give it to her.
All right, I will. Thank you very much. I appreciate this, yeah? Thank you. You can go home. I'm done for the day, right?
Alright, thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I have given it all to you. I will stand by you as long as you stand with me. Don't break my heart. Let's end this fight. It's tearing us apart. I don't like the way we.
Hey, babe, I'm so sorry about what happened earlier today.
Hey, you want to touch him. Don't touch him.
Babe, I'm sorry about what happened earlier. It wasn't intentional.
Save it. All right? Just save it.
All right.
Who gave you this?
It's a gift. It's yours. Gina asked me to give it to you.
Gina, your secretary?
Yeah.
Wow. So, Gina was the one that made you to leave me stranded? I was waiting for you because you promised to take me for dinner. It's my birthday, Justin.
Come on.
You didn't even come back early nor take my calls. I've been calling like a mad person. Why didn't you take the calls? And it's all because you were with that whore?
Babe, I was trying to explain to you.
Oh, please, save your lousy explanations because I'm not having it.
Listen, babe, I had some clients from Togo.
Liar! Justin, you are telling lies and you know it. Gina!
Wait a minute. Is this how low you think of me? How can you insinuate that I have something to do with Gina, my secretary?
Yes, you do, Justin. You have something to do with her, else why would you be coming home by this time? Take a look at the time. Why have you been with her? You need to tell me what you were doing in the so-called office by this time of the night. Who works by this time, Justin? Answer me.
Really?
Really?
You know what? I don't have the energy for this.
Oh yes, how will you have the energy for it? Because you've been with that whore all through the day. Who will you tell that you're coming back from the office by this time of the night? What were you doing there, Justin? It's my birthday. You promised me that we were going on the dinner day, that we were with her. You brought this cheap, lousy gift for me. You want me to take it? You have the guts to give me this lousy gift, and you took it. You brought it back home. Justin, I am not buying what you told me. What are you doing with Gina? I'll keep asking this question this night. What have you been doing with her? Why were you with her all through the day? Why are you just returning now? I'm asking you, what are you doing with her? What?
Juliet, you're raising your voice. You need to relax. Okay? I'm tired. I'm tired of your constant nagging. Please. I'm not cheating on you. I will never do that. Okay? Gina is someone who works for me. And today, she decided to buy you a gift for your birthday. That's all.
Oh my goodness. Okay, first you say I'm nagging. That's on the side. Now, can you tell me how many bosses disappear on their wives' or girlfriend's birthday only for them to return at night with a lousy gift from their secretary? Can you tell me? Huh?
Juliet, can we talk about that much later? I just got back from work. I am tired. I need to get some rest.
We talk about it now. You must tell me what you're doing with that lousy girl. I don't know what she calls herself, Gina or whatever. Tell me what you're doing with her. Tell me why you're returning now. Tell me, I need to know. Tell me, what are you doing with her? Huh?
All right. This is my cue to go have a bath.
You're not going anywhere. Justin, you're not going anywhere. Come here.
Hey, babe. I got you breakfast. I sincerely apologize for last night. It wasn't intentional. I never meant to hurt you in any way. Listen, I work with a lot of clients and I have a signed contract with them. I have to do these jobs so I can stay out of trouble. I do not want to breach the contracts I have with them. I'd go to jail, and that's not good for us. I'm sorry. And Gina is not my lover or whoever you think she is to me, okay? She's just my secretary, and that's all. She works for me. And to crown it all, she loves you. She respects you. Alright. Listen, babe. I apologize. Okay? I'm sorry for everything. Listen, I promise to make it up to you. Okay? You know what? Let's go out and have some fun. Yeah, we could go to the cinemas, see a movie, and, have some fun. Then we can go buy that handbag you've always wanted. Yeah. The handbag, remember? The one you've always wanted.
Are you sure about this?
Of course, I'm sure.
Maybe this is one of your empty promises.
Juliet, it is not. I'm serious. Listen, I'm trying to make things up, okay? I know you're upset with me and that's why you're all moody and sad. But I want to make things up, alright? Let's go out, have some fun. Then we can, go buy up the handbag you've always wanted. But your breakfast is here. You have to, eat first. Is that okay? Thank you. There you go. Babe. I don't know. It's a little spicy.
Yes.
And I don't know if the salt I added is a bit too much, but just manage it, alright? Alright, give me a second.
I am overjoyed.
Say that again.
I am overjoyed.
You had fun?
And this is the best birthday celebration I've had in years, and it's all thanks to you.
I knew you were going to say that. And guess what? I'm so excited that I was able to put a smile on your face.
Thank you, baby.
I love you.
And I love you right back. How about we go have a bath together?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Just go in, take a bath. I'll join you shortly. I need to send an SMS real quick, okay?
Alright. How many minutes? 5 minutes.
Yeah. Let's say 5, 6.
Alright, I'll be waiting for you, okay?
Alright. Give me a second.
Don't be long.
Sure.
Baby? Babe. Babe, wake up. You need to take your shower. Are you sleeping? Come on. Come take your shower. Wake up, alright? I've been waiting for you.
Babe, I'm exhausted.
Exhausted? Baby, let's go have a shower together. That's what you said, remember? You promised.
Babe, I'm exhausted.
Come on. Are you going to sleep without having your shower? Let's go, baby, please.
Alright, just give me like 20 minutes.
No, you're already sleeping. Just get up now, alright? I can help you out. I can help you up. Come.
I'm tired.
Baby, please. You promised.
Lie down.
No.
Lay on my back.
Justin,
For
get
10
up.
minutes. Come on.
Please, just... Baby, come on. Get up. I'm still talking to you.
Juliet, can you just stop? I don't have time for this.
Oh, you should have time for this. All I'm saying is that I need you around. You keep going from one place to another. You don't have time for me.
Can you stop? Can you just stop it? What's wrong with you?
Justin. Really?
Listen, I'm sorry I raised my voice, okay? But I need to get something straight. Are you asking me to move my flight? Are you asking me to cancel my business meetings? Because you want me to be around and cuddle you and have sex with you.
All I'm saying is that you never have time for me. Can you count just one day you've been here to spend quality time with me? Can you?
Juliet, I have one question for you. Why do you always make me feel like my best is not enough?
Oh, please do not do this now, Justin, because I know too well you understand what I'm talking about. You never have time for me. You're always out there from one business trip to another. You don't even stay here. We don't spend quality time together. All right, what about the party? The party you promised to follow me this evening. What are you doing now? You're running off for another business meeting.
Juliet, another question for you. All the luxury you enjoy, how do you think they come? How do you think I make the money? I work my ass off. That's how I make the money to make you enjoy the luxury.
Okay, fine. I'm not disputing that fact. What I'm saying is that I want more. More of you, babe. I mean, what is all this? You don't have time for me. Is this how we're going to be when we finally get married?
Oh, stop.
How are we going to make babies? No, think about it. When
Babies?
you're out.
Really?
Yeah.
Babies?
Yeah.
Babies will come at the right time.
Oh, please spare me that talk because it's just a talk meant for hopeless and lazy men when they can actually create their time zone.
Are you indirectly calling me lazy, Juliet? Are you serious? Did you forget I run a company, for crying out loud? I'm an MD of a company. How did you think I got to this level if I didn't work my ass off? What the hell is wrong with you? Listen, you need to come back to reality. No man, no hard-working man gives a woman 100% of his time. It's not possible. Come back to reality, Juliet. I have a flight to catch. Come on.
What the hell? What is going on in this compound? What is going on? Huh? I don't understand what they happen for this compound again. Everything I didn't change. Everything just changed. Like suddenly everything just changed. Everywhere don't worse. Hi. Madam Wanoga, both of them are cataract. Don't they do that cataract? Two people where they play low before. But right now, nothing like that again. Oga, just focus for a job like this. Just focus, like focus. I know, madam, I know the Greek cook food again for this compound. Hi, hungry, don't show me sugar once. My eye, then they turn like this, Next so I go resign for this job. Go look for somewhere better. Where they got the good food for me, where I got the chop every day. Because the hungry way there for this country right now. My late life here continue like this. My late life, everybody go shut it down. My life, okay. Since morning my eye, they tell me. I go just fall, I go faint. My mother change your mind. Because I go fire myself. Wallahi. If this week pass, if my mother not change my mind, wallahi, I go fire myself.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes, Ruth.
We meet again after so many.
Oh my, come here. Oh my God, you're even
Oh.
married with a kid.
Yes, baby.
My dear life. I missed you so
I
much.
missed you more.
Thank you. Oh, baby, sorry.
Sorry, my darling. Sorry.
Wow, this is nice.
I don't even know what to say, please. What do I offer? Sit down first.
Thank you.
Just
Thank
sit.
you. What do I offer you? Just water is fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
Juliet.
Yes, Ruth. In my home.
Please. Let me put
my baby to bed. Ruth.
I'll relax.
Wow, you have a beautiful place. Oh my God, Clara will be so happy.
Wait. You said you met Ruth.
I met her and her baby.
Baby?
Mm-hmm.
She has a baby? Oh my
My dear,
goodness.
I was so surprised when I saw her. Like, is this Ruth, the Barbie of our time, looking this haggard?
What did you just say?
Honestly, it was when she screamed that I knew that she was the one.
Oh, wait. Ruth looking haggard. Like she wasn't looking good. Wait. Did you ask her what happened to her?
Marriage. Marriage happened to her. And I think along the line, things got rough for her husband, and a new baby is in the bigger picture now.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
Well, that's part of the things that comes with marriage. But you know what? I think we should go and visit her since you said she's a housewife.
Mm-hmm.
I've missed her so much. You know, she was one of the hottest Barbie in school back then.
Yeah, one of the hot girls with the latest updates. Our
God.
black Barbie.
Can you imagine? Like,
Looking like that.
I am finding it so difficult to believe that you saw Ruth looking so haggard. Like, we need to go and visit her.
I was dumbfounded when I saw her. Shocked.
I have to see for myself.
Me too. Life happens.
Who's home? Hello?
Hi.
Barbie! Look at you! Original Barbie now. So, you brought her?
I told you.
Turn again.
She hasn't changed one
What should I change? Why should I change?
You look super good.
Thank you, and you. Original Barbie. Our brown Barbie. Still looking hot.
Come on, life don't humble me.
Which humble? Leave it, Jerry. You're still looking cool, darling. Fine girl.
Are you happy now?
Extremely
Are you happy now?
Yes, I am.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you. Please take a seat.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you.
Sure.
Sit.
Thank
Oh
you.
my God. Please make yourselves comfortable, okay? I was actually cooking before I heard voices. I decided to check, and boom, it's you and you. Please relax, okay? Let me check what I'm cooking. Then I'll serve you something to drink. And you,
What?
don't you dare tell me I am okay. I don't want anything because I'll flame you through my window.
I've heard you, Ma.
Okay, I'll be
Your
right
food
back.
is burning. It's burning.
Go and check it. Somebody else get burnt.
Oh my God.
This is so unbelievable that life can actually humble someone like this.
My dear, I said the same thing. Ruth of all people, life has humbled her. Totally unbelievable, just like you said.
I totally agree with you because marriage as a context is not to be blamed. You know, there are so many marriages that are favorable, just like you and Justin. You guys will make a perfect match because Justin has money and he's very ambitious. Besides, where he is today is not even enough because I know he is craving to break boundaries. I trust Justin.
Yeah, that's right. But if you ask me, Ruth's husband, on the other hand, is not lazy. Take a look at where they're staying. It's not bad at all. Yeah, don't quote me wrong. I know this is a rented apartment, but to rent a place in this part of the state is outrageous. It's a killer, so he's not doing badly.
Compared to the roots we know back then in school,
Yeah.
the hot Barbie.
Life happens.
Her baby.
Ruth, your baby is crying. Do you need help? Okay, are you sure? this is the most scary part of marriage. Multitasking.
Swear, look out. Can you hear her voice? Motherhood.
How am I going to do it?
You almost run mad. You know, singing for your baby.
And then cooking and cleaning
I
at the
swear.
same time.
Like,
Madness.
who's gonna do that? Me?
Yes,
No.
you.
Of course, you'll soon be a mother.
You'll soon be a mother too.
Me? Ha! My dear, I don't have time for that because this is
I
my
don't
shape.
understand.
I have to keep it very well. I'd rather go for surrogates, seriously.
Really, Clara?
Yes. I have to keep my shape. I need to be hot.
Cheers to long life, prosperity,
Reunion.
reunion,
motherhood.
Kidding, Joe. Cheers to motherhood because you are going to be a mother and you are going to be a mother too. Yes, talking about motherhood. Motherhood actually comes with a lot. A whole lot. It's quite multitasking. For instance, I cannot say because I am cooking in the kitchen, I will allow my baby cry all day. Or maybe because I have a house help. Why are you staring at me like that?
No, please.
Don't roll those eyes on me. Don't you dare. Don't give me those eyes. Don't. Okay, I was actually saying that. Let's assume I have a house help. Truth remains that I'll still have to get some chores done by myself, right?
Yeah. I agree with you very well. You know, multitasking is part of what most women do while they are married. Unless you have a lot of money to hire staffs who can actually do the job. But me, I don't have time for that kind of stress of multitasking.
Yeah. So in a situation where you don't have money to hire workers, what do? You will still get the jobs done. There is absolutely nothing you can do about it. Yes, because it's late to opt out already. It's one of the major reasons I keep telling Juliet to enjoy her life to the fullest before saying I do, because the moment you say I do, baby girl, it's over. Absolutely. There's nothing you can do about it though. And I am being honest with you.
How do you mean?
It's simple. Listen. Most ladies, most married ladies to be precise, are lonely in their homes. And you can't even blame their men because these men go out to hustle and come back home with money. Of course, you cannot tell a man with bills, countless bills to pay, to sit back at home doing romance all day, all night. It doesn't work that way, baby girl.
Of course it doesn't work that way. Because he has to go out there to make money. Money is important because money is power. He has to take care of his responsibilities. Like your baby, your crying baby that is disturbing us. I'm sorry.
For what exactly? You're absolutely right. Because money is power,
Money
you know?
is power.
Yeah.
That's the Balbi. So how Balbi back then in school? Your husband have to make money or he has to maintain you. If not, scatter everywhere. Money is important.
Very important.
Yes, I want to, when your baby comes out, you dress up, you come on social media. Guys, look at my baby. Look at I am a baby with so much money now. Do you understand what I'm saying now? You have to look classy. Let him make money. You should work hard, Jare. Forget that matter, please. Let's drink.
Don't mind her.
Wahala for who is married?
For me, me that I am married, wahala for me.
Wahala for you. We? Alright, Ruth, it's time for us to take our leave. It's my pleasure to see you again after how many years?
It's more of my pleasure, to be honest. I am so happy to see you, Clara. Thank you for the drinks. Thanks for coming.
And we hope to see you again, no?
Of course, yes. You will keep coming now.
Alright.
Now that you know my house.
Yeah.
Keep coming.
Alright.
Juliet. Yeah? Can I talk to you? Okay.
Is everything all right?
I wanted to ask you for a favor.
Okay, what is it?
What is
Never
it?
mind. Don't worry.
No, you can talk. What is it?
I don't know if you can help me with anything. Let me buy my baby's food. I don't know.
Yeah, why not? It's okay. Yeah, sure. Put in your details.
Okay, thank you.
Just manage it, alright? It's only 50,000 naira. Please.
Juliet.
That's the much I can do.
Thank you.
Oh, please, Ruth. You're being too thankful. It's just 50,000 naira, not like it's 1 million naira.
Wow.
So why don't you just calm down? You don't need to say plenty thank you now. What's 50k?
It's okay. Alright?
It's just 50k.
It's okay. It's alright. Alright, see you. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay.
Let's go.
Great baby for me.
Hi, baby.
Hi, love. You okay? How are you?
Good. Still on this?
Yes. So I'm trying to put together the reports for the contract as soon as possible. They'll be reviewed tomorrow morning, so I need to get it over with. How are you?
I'm good. Alright then, I'll wait for you.
You're waiting for me how?
I'm here working with you.
No.
Yes.
Okay, this might take a little longer, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Babe,
Mm-hmm.
go to bed and I'll join you
No.
as soon as I'm done.
No. I'm waiting.
You didn't hear what I said?
I heard you.
You can't sit here and wait for me. This might take a while.
I'm not complaining.
I like it when you're stubborn, you know that?
Me? Stubborn? How? Really?
Well, it's a compliment. It's not an insult.
Of course, I know it's a compliment.
Babe, please, go to bed and I'll join you shortly, okay?
I said no, I'm not complaining. Just get back to work, alright?
It's okay.
Okay. Hey, babe. Oh, you're home already?
Yeah, I've been around for a while. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see an old friend. We reconnected after 8 years.
8 years.
Yes.
That's a long time.
Uh-huh. And babe, guess what? She's already married with a kid.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So how's she?
Yeah, she's good.
Oh, that's great. So I have been home trying to compile some of these reports. I need to work with them tomorrow morning.
Okay, and I'm sure you haven't eaten anything.
No, I haven't. Do we still have some peanuts in the house?
Sure, we do.
Can I have some, please?
Okay, I'll quickly get it and prepare something sumptuous for you.
You don't have time for me. I've been begging on my knees. This is breaking my heart. How long gonna I take this thing? Oh, every bit of my heart still calls for.
Babe, you've been on this since you came back in the afternoon. When are you going to come to bed? At least you need rest.
Babe, I'll be done soon, okay? Just give me a moment, alright?
It's almost midnight. You need to sleep, you need to rest. And moreover, I miss you, baby. I want you.
Babe, I have to put these reports together. It's needed in the office first thing tomorrow morning. Please, just give me like 30 minutes.
Fine, if you say 30 minutes, I'm going to be up till then. Once it elapses, I want us to discuss something very important.
That's alright.
I'm counting down.
You don't have time for me. I've been begging on my knees. This is breaking my heart. How long gonna I take this thing? Oh, every bit of my heart still.
Oh no. I slept off again. Justin has deceived me again. I'll just go and freshen up and eat him. Oh no. So this is how we do it now, right? You no longer have my time.
Good morning, love. Why do you have that face? I mean, isn't it too early to be sad?
What would you rather have me do? What sort of relationship are we in? Am I the only one pushing it? Like, I can see it's not balanced. Can't you see it too?
How do you mean?
How do I mean?
Yeah.
When was the last time you sat down? Like, we both sat down to have a normal conversation like people who are in a relationship. When?
Babe, you slept off last night. I didn't want to wake you up. Okay? And this morning I have to be at work at 8 a.m.
It's always the case with you. Work, work, work. Like, your work is now more important than the woman you kept at home. It's always work with you. God.
You know, sometimes I wish you can see things from my own point of view. I run a company, okay? I need to be present to ensure things work well. So I can make some money to take care of us.
All right. Run along to work as usual. Good day.
You don't have time for me. I've been begging on my knees. This is breaking my heart.
Yes, please. I'll be with you in 30 minutes, okay? Yeah. Okay. In 30 minutes, I'll be with you. Alright, thank you. Happy.
Hey, it's the weekend. Where are you up to? Dressed like this?
So, babe, I need to meet up with a client. I, I I have some deals to sign. Yeah, and he needs all the attention he can get from me. He's VIP. I need to make sure I close up this deal.
But why didn't this client come during the weekday? Why now? Today of all days? Why?
What's happening today? I can't remember.
Justin, are you doing this intentionally for you to be absent at the lunch date I planned with my friends? God.
Oh, shoot. When is the date again? Is it today?
Definitely. I knew you were going to forget, and that is fine. All right? I wasn't expecting anything more. You know what? I'll just call it off. There's
No,
point.
it's okay. You don't have to do that. Come on. Listen, I'll see my client and finish up with him, and I'll come right back to you. We can go together, okay?
Do not disappoint.
I'm not going to disappoint you. I promise to make it up to you this time, okay? Right. Hey, baby, you have to work for us. We need all the money, right?
I've heard you. It's okay.
All right. I'll be back shortly.
Do not disappoint me.
I won't disappoint you. And don't call your party off, please.
I'm counting on you.
Of course.
All right. Have a nice day.
All right.
Don't be long.
Careful.
I buy you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality. But you keep
Girls, you're welcome once again. I'm so glad to have you all here. So what can I offer you?
Not so fast, please. We're here for lunch. So there are lots and lots of food, drinks for us to eat. So why are you not asking us now?
That's true. That's true.
Juliet, my own is that your man is really doing well for himself.
You can say that again. Thank you.
My word. Do you know, when we were downstairs, I was actually saying in my mind, this place is exquisite.
Mm-hmm.
Now we are upstairs again. Come on, I lack words to describe how beautiful this place is.
Mm-hmm.
Juliet, come on, he's got a good taste.
Thank you. Where I haven't seen Justine.
He's at work.
Oh, really? As usual, he's always very busy.
Yeah. He has this very important client, like VIP. So he just went to sort out the client and he'll be back soon. He'll join us soon, don't worry. But while we wait for him, why don't we go to the kitchen and prepare the food? You girls should help me out. Let's go.
All right, up.
You mean you can go marry the man?
Clara,
My nails, like, I don't want to mess up my
hey,
nails.
there's
you know.
something you can
I'm
do.
not
Cut it
used
off.
to.
Clara, let us go to the kitchen. Drop your bag.
Oh,
Thank you.
let's go.
Oh.
I buy you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality. But you keep complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my heart. Thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible. It doesn't mean that I do not have in my heart. Anywhere I go, I do it for you. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me, I'm doing this for you. Why are you complaining about everything? Girl, you have my heart. I have given it all to you. I will stand by you as long as you stand with me. Don't break my heart. Let's end this fight. It's tearing us apart. I don't like the way it's going. Don't break my heart. It is tearing us apart. You have to believe me that you're the only one I see. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day.
This guy's not taking it. Call him again.
Why are you complaining about everything? Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me.
Oh, hey, James.
Hey.
Ah,
It's really you.
how you doing? It's been a while, man.
Yeah, it's been a while.
How you doing? I'm okay.
Fine. What happened to your car?
My car, I don't know. It just stopped. I think something is wrong. But the mechanic is not picking up, and I don't know who else to call.
Oh my God.
Do you have someone in mind?
No, I don't have someone around here. My mechanic's not around here. Okay.
I don't know if I should just go pick up my other car, or so I don't know what to do.
Okay.
But I can't leave this here. I need to. Yeah.
Let's look around. Let's look for a mechanic around here so you can fix it.
All right, I'll just join you. Right?
Good.
Okay, that's fine.
Close up. Okay. Lock it up.
Juliet, what is going on? It's past 4 p.m. already, and please call him one more time. Let's know what next to do. I'll just call him one more time to give him the benefit of doubt. He's not picking up. What do we do now, I need to go home. My husband will be waiting for me and my child. My dear, this is all I go through just in the name of being in a relationship.
Juliet, what if he's cheating on you with me?
No. Justin cannot do such a thing. He's too committed to his job. He doesn't even have time for personal leisure. So why would he do such a thing? Like, he's so busy. Maybe he has forgotten about his dates. Yeah. Maybe.
Just don't know. Okay, I'm just going to suggest that if we wait a little and he doesn't show up or pick his call, people will reschedule. I need to get going. No, I understand this. It's fine, right? It's fine.
Juliet, I think we have to leave. It's already getting late and Justin is not yet back. So at least we've tried.
Yes, Juliet, I have to go. My husband will be waiting for me and my baby too.
It's okay, I'll see you guys on.
Alright, let's go.
Don't you dare touch me! Do not!
Babe, hold on. Babe, what's wrong with you? Just calm down. I know you're upset, but I'm sorry. Listen, it wasn't intentional. My car broke down and I was looking around for a mechanic to help me fix it.
Yeah, you should have remained there.
No, hold on, babe. I'm sorry.
Listen,
Justin, let's make it up.
I don't want to hear any crap.
I want to make it up.
Leave me!
Listen.
You always have one last for you.
My car broke down. Juliet. Babe, you need to talk to me. You have to believe me when I tell you I can never do anything to hurt you. I can never cheat on you. And I'm not saying this because you're my wife-to-be. I'm saying this because I love you. I'm saying this because it's the truth. You have to talk to me. All right, Juliet. Tell me what to do and I'll do it.
Can you just please let me be? I mean, what do you want me to say? I've heard you, right? Or you want me to believe that you did not spend the entire day with another woman? And like you asked me what I want. I just want you to leave me alone. Let me be, please. Just go to bed.
Hey,
That's it for you.
what is that?
My husband, why not take a look at it first? Then you ask your questions.
List. Are you buying all this?
My husband, everything written there is needed in the house. We don't have anything anymore.
Do you have plans of buying the entire supermarket? Do you know how much this would cost?
What do you mean if I want to buy the entire supermarket? Have you forgotten how expensive things are? Hold on a second. Why do you always fret each time money is mentioned in this house?
Because you always make demands as if there's a tree where I pluck money from.
Really now? You said that to me.
What do you need tissue for, Seth? Use this tissue.
Juliet, it's an unpopular opinion, but I must tell you the truth. Your man is doing right by you financially. He's treating you beautifully well. Just take a good look at your hair. It's giving. Your expensive clothes, the jewelries, your shoe. Juliet, you are classy.
Thank you.
But your social life is not giving. Your social life is flat. What I'm saying is that your man lacks vibes. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Given to what happened the other day, plus all that you and Clara told me, I've come to a conclusion that your romantic life is off the wheel.
I totally agree with what you're saying. Justin is actually very boring. One that doesn't go to the club, he doesn't go to the bar, we don't even play together. Like two people at home playing together, maybe playing a video game or watching movies together. He doesn't do it. The only thing he cares about is his business, money, and then sex whenever he wants to.
And I bet that comes occasionally. Tell me, Juliet, does he also starve you of sex?
Justin is good in bed whenever he wants to. The big question is when. He has a low libido, so it doesn't come often. But whenever he's in the mood, it's not bad at all.
Juliet, you need to get yourself another man. No, don't stare at me like that. I'm not asking you to quit it with Justin. No, I am just saying you should get a side man. A side man with the vibes. The one to fill in the gap when Justin is not there. Listen, you need to enjoy your life to the fullest before you get entangled in this web called marriage. One heavy mistake that I made, and I am yet to come out of it. Sometimes I wish I enjoyed my life to the fullest before saying I do to my husband. Because the moment you do, you are never ever going to enjoy it again. What I'm saying in essence is this. It's better you cheat on your man now that you don't have the ring yet, instead of doing that when you must have said I do. Even the Bible says it, that you should enjoy your youthful age while you still can, because a time would come when you will regret not doing that. Juliet, I am a testimony to that verse. A lot of times I regret not enjoying my life to the fullest before saying I do. The truth is that there is nothing, absolutely nothing that will make me cheat on my husband ever again. That is because we are wearing the tiniest handcuff as inmates forever. Think about it.
I got back and you were not around.
Yeah,
The baby was crying.
Sorry, I went to see my friend. Oh, hi, baby.
So which of your friends? The one with the flashy car?
Have you been spying on me, Eric?
Stop giving me that look. I love my wife so much to engage in such nasty acts, okay?
So how come you know that my friend has a flashy car?
Baby forgot to have a gossip in this compound. I was ready to tell you anything. Well, she told me the first day your friend came here, and she also told me today.
Really?
Yeah. But I love you so much, and I trust my wife. So, I know there's nothing to worry about.
Anyways, I'm sorry about that. Just that I forgot to have in this compound. How was your day?
Fine.
Sorry.
Thank God we keep
You want to
pushing.
go to him? Sorry?
We keep pushing. Oh,
Sorry.
I think he's hungry.
Yeah.
You get his food.
Of course, and yours too.
Uh-huh.
You have been pushing very well, my husband, so. Hey, I'm off to get your food.
It has my eyes.
Juliet, you need to get yourself another man. No, don't stare at me like that. I'm not asking you to quit it with Justin. No, I am just saying you should get a side man. A side man with the vibes. The one to fill in the gap when Justin is not there. Listen, you need to enjoy your life to the fullest before you get entangled in this web called marriage. One heavy mistake that I made, and I am yet to come out of it. Sometimes I wish I enjoyed my life to the fullest before saying I do to my husband. Because the moment you do, you are never ever going to enjoy it again. What I'm saying in essence is this. It's better you cheat on your man now that you don't have the ring yet. Instead of doing that when you must have said, I do.
Hey, baby.
Hi, baby, you alright?
Aren't you working today?
No, I actually have an event to attend at 5 p.m.
Okay, I'm coming.
No, baby. I'm sorry, you can't.
Why not?
Why not?
So it's an event packaged for branch executives. And I'm not meant to come with anybody. I was told that specifically. So you can't come with me.
But you never can tell. Some of your colleagues might come with their partners and...
That's impossible. So it was discussed prior before now that we're not meant to come with anybody. That's why you can't go with me.
Justin, what is this all about? Huh? What is this all about? Am I that ugly that you're not seeing me worthy of the event?
Babe, what are you talking about? Don't make this look like a big deal. It's not a big deal. I just said you can't come. I'm not the one making things up. It's an executive meeting. All right, for my colleagues and I. And I'm not supposed to come with anyone. I mean, if you can, I'll tell you you can. There's nothing there.
Right.
Come on, babe. Take it easy now. It's not a big deal, okay? Are you okay? Babe, but you know if it's something I can do, I'll let you come around. But I mean, where are you going?
I'm going to my mother's place. Dinner is ready and I've already ironed the clothes that you'll be wearing tomorrow.
Juliet, hold on. Really? You're going to your mother's place? Are you being serious? But we didn't discuss this.
Same way we did not discuss the party. I just know what you're doing. I know what you want to do. You want to just get rid of me, spend quality time with your side chick, and all right, here you go. You can have your time with her.
Juliet, hold on. Wait. Juliet, wait. Are you serious? Wait. Are you doing this because I said you can't come to the event with me? But it's not in my power. I just said no one is coming with their partners. That's what I said. Why are you making a fuss out of it?
I understand you. It's fine, actually. It's okay.
You know what? you can come with me. Let's go together.
Oh, no. Never mind. Just go do your thing.
Juliet, I insist. Let's go together. It's fine.
Sorry, I can't, Justin. Nothing about us has changed.
Why are you acting like a child? I just said let's go together.
But I said no. I just need to go back home, clear my head, drop my baggage. I just...
Clear your head about what?
Everything about us. Nothing is changing. Can't you see?
Spaces where your laughter used to bloom.
Juliet.
Silent echoes in this hallowed room. I only see you when the moon is blue. Every bit of my heart still calls for you, and every breath I take just feels so blue. This is ache in my soul. It won't stop.
Hey, look who's back! Oh my God! Welcome!
Babe, I've missed you so much. Omo, ever since you left, I've been so bored. Like, I forgot that we live in this house together. How you doing? Juliet, what's wrong? You're not looking okay. Like, you've been out of this house for some time, and you coming back looking all pissed off. What is it? Did you fight with Justin?
I don't know why he does what he does to me. Honestly, I love him so much, and he knows that I love him. I guess that's why he's using it against me. Yeah.
Alright, tell me what happened. Because I've never seen you this pissed in a while. Is it because of Justin? Like, you came back because you guys had a fight or something? Can you just talk to me? I'm here for you, darling.
Justin likes living a secluded life. He barely goes out. Today he said he has a function, more like a colleagues thingy, get together and stuff. So I asked and I followed him. And then he bluffed. Clara, he rejected it. He refused bluntly.
Oh, well, the fact is that Justin knows you cannot do without him. That's why he's taking advantage of you. That's why he's so mean. So you don't have to let that bother you.
Can you just be honest with your answer? Am I not beautiful enough for a man to introduce me as his woman?
What are you saying? Of course you're beautiful. You're a queen. Look at yourself. Skin like milk.
So why does he keep doing this to me?
Of course you should know the kind of person Justin is. Men are scum. You don't need to bother yourself about any man. Look, you say men, you carry them on your shoulders, not in your heart. Because they will so break you. You're too fine now. See, fresh skin.
You would not understand.
Sweetheart, I want you to be happy. Forget about Justin and move on with your sweet life.
How have you been?
I'm good. I missed you so much.
Why is she not picking up? Huh? Switched off. But just rang. It's switched off. Juliet, why are you switching off the phone on me? You literally just turned off your phone.
Hey, get your hands off me. Mister, I am not in for whatever rubbish you want to do, alright? Please, let's go.
Juliet, calm down now. Why are you being hostile?
No, I'm not interested. I don't know him.
Just
Or whatever.
give him a listening ear. Please, let's just go. Let's go.
Stop starting.
Sorry, please. Can I help out?
Yes, why not? Open the bonnet so you can assist us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It's fine, okay? So I was wondering, can I take you girls out for lunch?
Yes. To be honest, I'm very hungry and I know my friend is hungry too.
Alright, we'll just follow you behind.
Okay.
Where have you been all these years that I'm just seeing you for the first time today?
I think it's fate. Yeah. I actually believe that fate has a way of bringing two amazing people together. Yes, so let's call it fate, mister.
Sorry. I'm Dennis. My sincere apologies for not properly introducing myself earlier.
And I am Ruth. My friend is...
I'd prefer to hear it from her.
Juliet.
Wow. Juliet. That's a beautiful name for a beautiful damsel like you. And from the look of things, you're single. But then why do I get this feeling you're not okay?
I'm fine.
Well, I believe with time we'll get to know each other better. And then you'll get to realize I'm the man for you. Juliet, please can I have your account details?
What's that for?
Nothing much, just to appreciate you for spending time with me today.
I beg to decline.
Come on, no hard feelings, okay? My mom has a saying, and I quote, "It's an honor worth appreciating when a lady gives you a most precious gift, which is her time," unquote. So I'm just trying to appreciate you for spending time with me. Please. Ruth, you get it, right?
All right. I beg to take my leave. Thank you for whatever you sent.
It's fine. I hope we get to do this some other time.
I'll give you a call when you get to drive safely.
Thank you.
Alright, shall we? You want to leave me? I think that's why I said let's go.
Alright, yes.
Mr. Dennis. Thank you.
Thank you for your time today.
I buy you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality, but you keep complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my heart, thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible. It doesn't mean that I do not have in my heart. Anywhere I go, I do it for you. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me, I'm doing this for you. Why are you complaining about everything? Girl, you have my heart, I have given it all to you. I will stand by you as long as you stand with me. Don't break my heart, let's end this fight. It's tearing us apart. I don't like the way it's going. Don't break my heart, it is tearing us apart. You have to believe me that you're the only one I see. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me,
babe, you haven't told me how your day was today, and did you meet with any guy when you went under the sun with this your alluring beauty?
Clara, are you okay? There's nothing to tell. Mind your drink.
Of course you know I cannot. Why should I mind my drink? I'm here to guide your self-imposed darkness and mystery.
Who? Wait, I just...
Who's calling you at this time of the night?
Some of your business.
It has to be my business, because I wish the person calling you right now is Justin, because he is the only one that fits this your wandering legs.
You're not serious. You're very silly. Please, I have to take this call. Hello, Dennis. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm fine now that I've heard your voice.
I wasn't even expecting your call tonight.
Well, I hate to keep a beauty waiting.
Oh, please, you have a way with words.
But it's true. You know, it would be very bad of me to go to bed without hearing from you tonight.
Thank you. This was okay, all thanks to you. Thank you so much. I had a really great day.
So I was wondering, can I take you out on a date tomorrow, like a dinner date, so we can at least get to talk about life and everything in general?
Alright, tomorrow evening, I give you that honor.
No problem. See you tomorrow then, okay?
Sweet dreams. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Spill out, spill out.
What?
Who was that?
I don't like when you give me that look. What is it? Who was who? It's nobody.
Which one is nobody? Can you just tell me, who was that? Who's Dennis?
No one. It's no one. Forget about it.
Hey, I know you. I know when you give me that look, that pretentious look. Because obviously, you're hiding something from me. Very secretive.
There is nothing to tell. Forget it. I'm not spilling any tea. There's nothing to tell.
Okay. You know, at first I did not believe you, but now I believe you. That there's someone there. Who is he? Who is Dennis?
You just mind your drink,
Of
or you want me
course
to leave this
I
place?
cannot
for you?
mind my drink. No, I cannot. Can you just tell me? Don't be secretive.
Oh, Clara, let me be. There's nothing to tell. Just leave me alone.
Please, I'm not ready.
No! What do you want to do? You want to take my phone? Mind your business. Or you want me to leave this parlor for you?
You this girl. You can be so secretive.
Really?
Now, to know.
Oh, Clara, there's no one. It's no one. There's no one. There's no one. Forget it.
Okay, I hear you. But I will know very soon. Trust me.
Yes, I remember you. But sir, have you been to our Abuja branch? Okay. I'll advise you to walk straight to customer service, alright? Lay down your complaint, and I'm very, very certain that they would rectify the problem. Yes.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, okay. Just give me a call once you get there. I'll speak to them. Alright, thank you very much.
You haven't seen me in days and you didn't try to call nor come over to the house to check up on me.
Babe, listen, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. My work has been crazy. I've been so busy. Like, it's not an excuse though, but I'm sorry, I'll make it up, okay? As we speak, I'm not feeling too well. I think I'm coming down with a flu or something. I'm actually on my way to see my doctor before you walked in.
So you're going to the hospital now?
Right away, yes. I don't feel too good. Maybe work stress or something. I need to find out.
Sorry.
Thank you. Just sit down, okay? Alright. Make yourself comfortable. I'll be right back. Alright?
Alright.
I'll be back before you know it, alright? Alright.
Bye.
Yeah. Juliet, come on. Why are you doing this now? Come around, man. Come close to me.
Oh, Justin, what is it now? How many times do you want to do it in one night?
What do you mean by that? I just had you once. I miss you.
Is once not enough?
It's not enough. I miss you.
I'm tired. You should sleep. You should be tired too. God.
Really? I should be tired too?
Yes.
So I don't have the right to miss you?
You have the right, but I'm tired. But you should just
Wait,
sleep.
what's really happening? Are you... Don't you care about me anymore? Like, don't you have feelings for me anymore?
Excuse you? Why would you ask me such question? Huh? What do you mean by don't I have feelings for you anymore? If I don't have feelings for you, why am I here?
So what's wrong with the question? I mean, I need to know if you still have feelings for me because you're not letting me touch you.
You shouldn't be asking me that question. We've already done it. I'm tired. You should be tired too. And we should be sleeping by now.
We did it hours ago, babe. What do you mean?
Listen,
Should I be begging you to do this?
Please, I am very tired and don't ask me that question anymore.
You know what? Just go to bed.
Nobody is sleeping until you explain to me what you mean by I don't care about you anymore. I need an explanation. What do you mean by that question you just asked?
I asked if you still have feelings for me. It's simple.
Why would you ask me such questions?
It's English language. Yes or no?
So if I don't have feelings for you, why am I still here with you?
You can be here and not have feelings for me.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, really? You're saying this to me?
No, but you just showed me you don't
How did
have
I show it to you?
Because you just...
Are you okay? I'll be okay.
I am not okay. Do you expect me to be okay under this heat? Are you okay?
I understand. I understand is my inability to do what I'm meant to do. I promise. I promise I'll fix the lights today.
My love, if you understand, please fix it up today. Pay the light bill for crying out loud. Just look at our child, sweating profusely even while at sleep.
My love, it's fine. I'll do my best. I'll try and fix this, okay? Remember Eric, way back. Things weren't like this, but I'll fix it. Just give me time, okay?
It's okay, I understand. You're trying to make me feel bad now.
I'll sort this out, okay?
Everything will be fine again.
Hello, Juliet. Madam, what's up?
Nothing much. I just want to find out if the guy we met the other day later called you back.
Is that why you're calling me? Seriously? But of course, you should know the answer by now.
Oh. Really? Is it that you don't want to see him again or what?
Well,
can I call you back? I'm just in house. Oh, okay. Sorry. I didn't notice.
I'll call you back. So, how about your family, your husband, your kids? I hope everyone is doing okay.
They're fine. They're very fine.
Alright, that's fine. Take care, okay?
Okay. You take care, right? I'll call you later.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe. No food on the table.
Oh, I'm sorry. It won't be ready.
That's because you've been busy on the phone. Who are you talking to?
My friend Ruth. If she was here the other day for lunch, you would have met her, but you were working.
So I overheard your conversation because your phone was pretty loud. The person asked after someone, a man precisely.
Man? I believe you heard wrongly. I don't know what you're talking about. Man?
Yeah, I heard about some man or something.
No, not me.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Yeah, let me just check.
Go to the kitchen and get food myself.
No. I'll do that.
Hello, beautiful. How are you? I'm fine. Just that I was wondering where this damsel of mine could be and what she's doing. You're bored? Well, in that case, I think I have the solution to your boredom. Yes, we could go swimming and then from there, you go catch fun elsewhere too. Alright. I'll pick you up shortly. Okay.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm okay. My God, you are so beautiful.
Thank you, and you are punctual again.
Well, I had been late. I got you this.
Oh, for me?
Yes.
Thank you.
It's okay, though it's nothing compared to your alluring beauty.
Thank you so much. Can we get going?
Sure.
All right. What?
Nothing, Juliet. It's just that you're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen.
Is someone not flattering me now?
Oh no, I am not flattering you and you know it.
Well, thank you so much. I mean, within a little space of time and you're lavishing me with so much care, lots of amazing compliments.
You're trying to spoil me. I already have a lot in the trunk and you're willing to even do more.
Yes.
I feel so overwhelmed by all this.
You're most welcome, and all these things I'm doing, because I love you. Okay?
Oh, and I love you right back.
You're sweet.
So, where did you say you want to take me then?
Baby, I had such an incredible moment. It's been long since I had such pleasurable time. You're just the best. And I remember you said you love me. Is it true? Do you really mean it?
Baby, let me go get us something to eat, okay?
Where are you going?
Let me fix us something to eat, okay? And one thing I want you to know is this. I love you, and I will always do what's best for you.
And I love you too, babe.
That's so sweet of you. Come here. Baby, please, can I go too?
Yeah. Babe.
Oh, baby, I told you to wait for me.
Yeah, I just came to see what you're doing.
Oh, God. Go back and wait for me, okay?
Fine. Is there anything wrong with me coming to see what my baby's doing? Or maybe even help out?
It is not wrong, okay? It's not that at all. It's just that I want you to wait my cooking when I'm done. Yes.
Alright.
So please go back to the bedroom while I go back to the kitchen to finish what I'm doing.
Alright, my king. Don't be too long.
Alright.
I'm waiting.
I'm coming. I'll come serve you in the bedroom.
Alright, darling. Thank you.
Yep.
Oh my god. Babe, this is so good.
I knew you would like it.
You're really a great cook.
Thank you.
This is nice. Wow. Baby, are you okay? You've been silent of late. What is wrong with you?
Baby, I lost my wallet and the cards in it. And the worst part is that I'm supposed to refund you for the money you spent at the restaurant. And I'm also supposed to pay my workers working for me at my new site. Baby, this my carelessness is going to spoil lots and lots of things for me unless I lay hands on, an urgent cash, and I don't even know how to go about it.
Alright, hold on. How much do you need?
Like 250,000 naira would really go a long way for me right now. Because I need to buy fuel and then, do one or two things before going to the bank on Monday for some withdrawals.
Alright, how about I give you the money? Please, you have to pay me back by Monday.
You don't mean it?
Why not? I mean, you've given me a very fulfilled time and given me a lovely meal right in front of me. So why would I go back feeling fulfilled and you'll be down here brooding over your lost wallet and failed transactions? I have to do something about it.
Thank you so much, okay?
Please, you have to pay me by Monday.
Oh, sure, I will, okay? As soon as I get to the bank, I will facilitate the withdrawals ASAP, okay?
Can I get a smile from my baby?
Sure.
Why not? You can join me.
No, enjoy. It's for you.
Sure?
Sure.
I
Enjoy.
insist, join me.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. I had my own feel before bringing yours, okay? Enjoy.
Hello. Yes, I've gotten the alert. 100K. Thank you very much. Thank you, I appreciate it. Okay, alright. Thank you. At last I can settle the electricity bill.
I'm home, baby. Thank you so much for today. I had fun. Are you home? Alright, that's fine. And hey, do not miss me too much, baby boy. Oh yes, I promise, I promise. Bye. And thanks again.
Someone is full of smiles. And who is this? Because I know very well that Justin will not, in fact, he will never command such beautiful smile on your face. Or has it changed? Let us know.
Changed? Who? Justin? In my dreams. That one is at home, buried in his work business, making money, blah, blah, blah. I went out with Dennis.
Are you kidding me? You actually went out with Dennis?
Yeah.
My goodness.
If you see, I had loads and loads of fun. This guy didn't literally let my feet touch the ground. I mean, he gave me this baby girl princess treatment, one I've never seen in a long, long, long time. I had fun.
Oh my goodness. I told you. See now, when I said you're beautiful, and this your skin like milk. Hey,
Clara.
I'm so happy for you.
I am actually.
Justin, is he the one calling?
Speaking of the devil, and he just called.
Pick up.
Hi, sweetie. Good afternoon.
Babe, where are you?
Yeah, I'm at home. I'm home with Clara.
Okay, did you get the money I sent you?
You sent me some money?
Yes, I did. Your upkeep. I'll be away for 2 days. I'll be out of town for 2 days, yeah.
Thank you so much, baby. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Hello? Hello?
At least he sent money.
That's all he knows.
Well, it's good.
Yeah. But what about my feelings?
Of course, that's what he's supposed to do. Send money so he can take care of the skin like milk.
No, please.
He's calling back.
Hi, babe.
Hey, babe. Why did you end the call like that?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know we were still talking.
Alright then. It's okay. Take care.
Yes, darling. Alright, bye.
Look, you just have to enjoy this money. You have to enjoy it like...
What are you talking about? What happens to my feelings?
Which feelings?
Huh?
Which feelings?
What happens to it after
What
all
has
the money?
feelings helped? My dear, you have to enjoy the money.
And after that, what next?
And after that, you need to enjoy the money. It's about the money. It's all about the money. Money, 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 money. You.
Oh, well, let me enjoy it like you said.
Why did she end the call like that? It's strange. She's never acted like that before.
I buy you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality, but you keep complaining. Every trip I make, always have you in my heart. Thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible.
Babe, I don't think there is any need for me to find any job again. Yes. Yes. I just found a cool way to make lots of money that would help us travel out of this country for good.
Wow.
Yep.
That's exciting. But babe, please, what kind of job or what have you found that will pay you like that? Like this cold money?
Babe, I hope you will support and trust me on what I'm about to tell you.
Oh, come on, baby. You know you can tell me anything.
Good. The thing is, there is this babe that's madly in love with me, and she's rich. Babe, when I say rich, I mean extremely rich. Can you believe that the 200k I gave you last week was from her?
What? A woman gave you 200k? For what?
As a matter of fact, she actually gave me 480,000. Yes, but I gave you 200k from it. The thing is, she wants me to sleep with her. But I turned it down, of course. But come to think of it, considering the fact that your business is not doing well at the moment, and I've made some investments that's not yielding, you know, I think we should consider. So to avoid living out on the streets. Sorry, just a minute. Hello? I thought you would never call. The thing is, just tell me where you are and I will come meet you there right away. Okay, yes, I will come. Just give me an hour and you'll see me there. Alright.
Who was that?
The lady I was just talking to you about.
Baby, is everything alright? You haven't been yourself even when we were making out.
I'm fine.
You can't tell me you're fine, darling. Talk to me. I want to share in your joy, in your sorrows. I want to be part of your life. What is the problem?
It's just that I don't like making unnecessary mistakes, just like the one I made today.
How do you mean? What happened?
I sent the last money in my account to my brother who needed to travel out of the country just 3 days ago. And just today of all days, I got a call from Honorable Daniel about a contract I've been pursuing for a very long time.
So, isn't that supposed to be a good thing? Why are you gloomy?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a good thing. But the issue is that I need to lay my hands on an urgent cash of 25 million naira to be able to wet the ground. Baby, this is a contract of 286 million naira that we're talking about here. And the minister is insisting that I pay 25 million naira first, before I can sign the papers.
Okay, I don't get this. Aren't you supposed to use the money given to you to execute the project? Why the other way around? Why do you have to pay before you get the money for the project?
This is Nigeria, my love. This is Nigeria.
So, what are you to do now? Because I really do not have that kind of money.
Baby, I don't know. I don't know.
It's okay. Just calm down, right?
Really? No. No, not like that.
Ruth. Now you're cheating on me.
Excuse you?
You've been making and taking secret calls lately. Hmm?
I make calls and you tagged it cheating. So what will you now tag it if I keep late nights?
You know you are lying. Ruth, you are lying. What have I not done to make you and my child happy, eh? Why are you lying? You're cheating, eh?
You don't even know when someone truly loves you.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
I'm tired.
Just a little bit. That's you.
Yeah. I'll just take this.
Oh, that was wonderful. You're the sweetest of them all. You know that, right?
Well, I think you're the best.
Oh, you're flattering me again, right?
I'm not, it's the truth.
Hmm.
You're just the best.
I'll take that as a compliment. Had a great time. Very great time.
Really?
Babe, pick your call.
No, babe. Forget about it. There's no one.
Are you sure about that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But Juliet, why are you avoiding me? What's actually going on? What games are you playing? Why are you avoiding me? Why?
Oh, God. That was sweet.
Never mind. The call is no one. Alright?
If you say so.
Babe, what is it? You've been awfully silent. What's wrong?
Can you do me a favor and sleep, please? I need to rest.
How do you expect me to sleep when you're looking troubled? I need to know what the problem is. Can you please talk to me?
Nothing. There is no problem anywhere. Just sleep, please.
Fine, I'll sleep.
Better.
You don't have time for me. I've been begging on my knees. This is breaking my heart. How long can I take this thing? Oh, every bit of my heart still I take just feels so blue. This is
Then is that money is too much? Where am I supposed to get such kind of money from?
Baby, you know how important this project is to me, to us. I mean, if I can get the finance to pull this off, I'll be made for life. Yes, and I will be able to take good care of you like you rightly deserve. Baby, you know, you're the most beautiful and elegant woman ever. You're the love of my life. Okay, I know how difficult this is. But please, I want us to be able to get this done. Even if it takes us bleeding.
Baby, I know all this, but the money involved is way too much. It's out of my league. How am I supposed to bring it? Unless I have to ask my girls to know if anyone can help. I don't know.
No, please, don't talk to your girls about it. Please. They've never liked me from the womb. They have never, and I don't want their ugly bickering. Please, I'd rather leave that project unattended to. Yes, than talk to those girls about it, please.
Baby, why are you talking like this? Why?
It's because no matter how important this project is to me, I am not willing to go cap in hand to the devil for help. No.
So what do you want me to do now?
I'm as confused as you are, babe. I don't know.
Maybe I have to ask my friend. If he has it, he's going to help me. But it will be as a loan. One you can pay in 6 months' time. Is that good?
Yes, baby. It's very nice. Very nice. I even think 6 months is even more than enough time for me to pay back, even with interest.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright, I'll ask him and see what he says.
Thank you.
I'm not promising anything.
I know. Thank you. Thank you. At least I'm hopeful now.
So calm your nerves, okay?
I'm happy. Thank you.
It's okay. It's for us.
Thank you.
Baby, I'm so sorry, sweetie. I'm sorry about what happened today. I know I made a promise to you, but when you were trying to call me, my battery went flat. I wasn't even with my charger. I'm so sorry, baby. As I was trying to find a way around it, I had this bad tummy upset. I'm so sorry, please, babe.
It's okay. It's all in the past now, so it's...
I know you are still upset. Baby, please, I'm so sorry, okay? Alright?
I'm not upset, I was just...
You are. I can see it in your eyes. I know you too well. But hey, I'm here now. Alright? Please, baby, I'm sorry. No? Do you want anything? Babe, look at me. Come on. Come on. I'm sorry.
So babe, tell me, what is it you were going to tell me?
My birthday is next week, Friday. I hope you're going to be around because I would love to celebrate it with my man.
Babe, I know how you feel. And if celebrating your birthday together with me is going to make you happy, then I'll do it.
You know, you always say this, and at the end of the day, you remember an important meeting or work or something, and then you have to go. I just want to celebrate it with you, at least for once.
It's okay, babe. I know I'm a workaholic, but I have to call a spade a spade. I need to give you some more attention, so it's going to be different, I promise you this time, okay? Alright? Your phone is ringing. Someone's calling you.
It's no one important.
Okay. Then pick your call then.
Okay. Hello, I'm busy at the moment. Can I call you tomorrow? Yeah, thanks. Bye.
Who was that?
Clara.
Who's Clara?
The same Clara you know. So, what were we saying about my birthday?
Babe, did she accept to give you the money?
Yes, she's actually arranging it as we speak. I believe the next time we meet, I will take possession of the money.
Oh my God. That's so good. So baby,
You are saying that I should continue playing dead or invisible.
Oh, baby, I am so sorry I'm asking you to do this, okay? But then you know it's for our future. All this will be over. I promise you. It will be over real soon.
It's okay, babe. I just try and make it happen because I am pregnant.
You're what?
I'm pregnant. I missed my period.
Okay.
So I went to the doctor and I did a pregnancy test. He confirmed that I am 5 weeks pregnant.
Wow. That's some great news right there. Come here. So you're telling me that I will soon become a dad, eh?
Something like that.
Wow. This happens to be the best news I've heard in a long while.
Yeah. Best story I got. Or best gist.
Yeah, hello. Hi. I need your help. It's a personal issue. Alright, thank you.
Look, Juliet. Seriously, I can't fathom why you want to sell your car just to raise money for Dennis. This is a guy you just met few months ago. Like you barely know him. I mean, who does that?
Dennis has shown me tons and tons of love that Justin has ever shown me ever since we've been together for what? 3 years and 7 months. So he's worth it.
And that's not enough reason for you to sell your car because of a man. For what?
The reason I'm still with Justin is because of the money I get from him, like the money he gives me.
So that's why I'm trying to help Dennis out. Because, girl, I wouldn't want to cheat on him when I get married to him. To be honest, I don't know what to say, but my take on this is marriage is a long time journey, and one must be very careful while making his or her choices, right? See, for you to choose your partner, you must do that based on what the heart wants, not on sentiment, you know. Right? Right. That is exactly why I'm trying to help Dennis stand on his feet, just like how Justin is. And at the end of the day, I can officially make him mine. End of story.
Well, I just want to let you know that my spirit doesn't conform with Dennis. You have to shine your eye before they shine it for you.
So, babe, how about the money? What were you able to do about it?
Nothing. Since I couldn't gather enough resources to carry on with the project, I had to let it go.
I talked to a friend and he accepted to give me the money. I hope it's not too late.
No, it's not. It's not too late, please. Did he give you?
Yeah, he did. But please, baby, you have to promise me that you're going to refund this money when you're done with the project. Please.
Of course.
Promise me I'm not making a mistake.
You're not, okay? I can assure you, you're not making any mistake. See, baby, you know I love you and I can do anything for you. Alright? This project is going to be a big win for us. A big one. Okay? And, babe, I actually think we should start planning our marriage once this project is executed. What do you think?
That would be great. Let me just send you the money now. Confirm it, baby.
Wow, I just got alerted. Wow. Thank you so much, Bella. Thank you.
This for us.
You have no idea what you've just done for me right now. I am so happy.
It's for us.
Don't worry, we'll start planning our wedding as soon as possible.
I can't wait.
God, I am so happy.
And I'm happy for you.
I can't believe this.
Go get that deal, babe. Baby, I have a question.
Okay.
Why don't you like anything that can lead to having babies? Like, why are you always on the withdrawal method? Don't you want children, or are we no longer getting married?
We are, okay? It's just that I feel we should soft pedal, okay? So we don't make mistakes.
Mistakes? What do you mean? Are you serious? Do I look like a kid to you? I am ready to have babies. I love children. I'm ready. And if you ask me, 5 children would be just perfect for us.
Oh, 5 would be perfect, okay? But like I said before, let's just take things easy, okay?
Alright. Alright, darling, just go take your shower while I prepare us something to eat.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
What do you have for me?
She's sleeping with a guy called Dennis.
Any evidence?
Yes. Have you seen?
I'm so sure that Justin is going to get me a new car on my birthday, because I told him that my car is already old and I would like a new one. So I'm so certain he's getting me a new car for my birthday.
Oh my goodness.
A car for your birthday? Juliet, your birthday is in 4 days' time.
And I'm so sure that Dennis will want to spend it with me, but I can't, because I'm expecting a car from Justin. So that day I'll be with Justin, not Dennis.
Well, to see a man like Justin that doesn't ask you any question is very difficult. You know, a man that is willing to fund your extravagant lifestyle. And now, you now want to go for another man who is struggling to survive.
Okay, I know Dennis is still struggling to survive, but don't worry, his federal project will click. And once it clicks, everything around him will click. Just like it clicked for Justin.
Oh, really? Look, Juliet, honestly, I'll always tell you the truth. You are making a very big mistake.
Okay. What am I sensing? What? Jealousy? With the way you've been trying to advise me to leave Dennis, it spells jealousy.
I don't get it. Why should I get jealous of you? For what?
I don't know.
I'm just being caring, that's all.
Yes. Exactly, yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Baby, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful, darling. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you once again. My love.
Yeah.
On this occasion of your birthday anniversary, I'd love to make a proposal to you. It's been a long time coming. I've always loved you, no doubt about that. And I would love to use this day to cement that love. I want you to be the mother of my unborn children. My love, marry me.
Oh my god, baby, I never saw this coming. This is incredible. Thank you so much. Oh my god. But I guess you should keep the ring for now. We will talk about it tomorrow, alright?
Why, babe? Why are you turning down my proposal?
Well, I'm organizing my birthday party at my place. So I'm there with my friends and I came here to invite you. I've been trying to call you, but your number hasn't been connecting. So I'll be waiting for you. Come over to my place. Bye, darling.
Babe, just like that?
See you.
You're just acting up.
It's Justin. It's over 2 hours since he promised to return. Yet he's not here.
Maybe he went to get the new car he promised you. Why don't you just relax, enjoy yourself and calm down? It's your birthday.
Exactly. You people do not get it. Dennis proposed to me and I told him to hold on. Because I knew that if I said yes to him, he would want me to spend the entire day with him.
Okay.
Now Justin is nowhere to be found. I don't want to lose both ways.
Hey, Juliet, calm down.
The party's still ongoing. Believe me, Justin will still come.
Yes.
He's not taking his calls
Yeah,
either.
don't worry yourself. Just enjoy yourself. Please, let's dance. Like this, just have fun. Let's just have.
You are welcome, babe. Welcome. Hi. Hi. Make yourselves comfortable. Thank you for coming.
How are you?
Hi, James. Oh my God, you
How
are
are you?
welcome.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Justin invited you?
Yes.
Where is he?
Oh.
He's at work. Okay, fine. Did he give you anything? Like my birthday present, I'm expecting something from him. Maybe something small like a car key.
Really?
He must have sent it across, right? Through you. Where is it, please?
Okay, Juliet, calm down, okay? Let's take it one at a time.
I'm
Okay, you're
sorry.
asking so many questions.
I know, right?
Good. Okay. Justin loves you so much.
I know.
So he couldn't come, so he sent me. He asked me to present this to you. Okay?
Wow, quite heavy.
I don't know. Just go ahead and open it.
Open it. What could this be? I'm expecting.
Don't worry, just
Don't
open
worry.
it. Open it. Let's see, baby. Let's see this beautiful surprise. Okay. What? What is this?
Before I forget, he made it very categorical that if you ever come to his house again, he will kill you.
James, no.
Happy birthday once again.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Please, am I dreaming? What is? How did he? Who took it? And how did all this? Justin, please tell me what is going on. Tell me I'm dreaming. Somebody should please talk to me. How did he get this? How do you expect? Oh my God! Oh. What is this doing here? Please, someone should talk to me.
I don't know. Like, how? What is? But seriously, hold on, Dennis. What do you mean you left the money at home? What is Of all the mistakes in the world, you chose this?
Relax now. Come on. See, the thing is, I didn't feel the need to deposit that money in the bank. Yes, so I kept it at home for easy access.
Excuse you? Have you gone dumb? Or you are going mad? Dennis, that is my hard work right there. You forgot we've not even paid for this car. How do you intend to do that if something happens to that money? Drive home now.
What? Jesus.
What do you mean, Jesus? You are mad! God will fire you! Which one is gone? My friend, what is it? What are you reading there?
No, Timmy, you can't do this to me now.
What's it that walk you now? Which one be Timmy? You can't do this to me. My friend, give me my... See, listen to me. Listen and listen real good. If you don't give me my own share of the money now, you will not like what will happen to you. You let press. You let press.
I'm telling you someone has squandered the money and you're telling me to give me your own share.
Which money? Money what happened?
Ruth! You planned this all this while? That was why you told me to double date, because you planned everything from the beginning, Ruth. Why?
Juliet, listen to me.
Na lie, I beg. She actually
shut up your
okay, shut up, Gary. What be your problem? What be that? I beg. Now normal producer I be o. Now young John dey a day o. I beg. Now she carry me enter this thing o. I beg. I don't die.
Haven't I been nice, Ruth? Have I not been nice to you and your family ever since we reconnected, Ruth? What did I do wrong? Why would you do this to me?
It was poverty and the devil.
The devil.
Hey!
Now tell that to the devil when you meet him.
Hey!
And you.
I beg.
Dennis, I thought you loved me. I trusted you so much with everything.
I beg. Now producer I be o.
Why would you deceive me? What wrong did I do to you? You too, Dennis.
I beg now.
I hate you.
I buy you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality, but you keep complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my heart, thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible. It doesn't mean that I do not have in my heart. Anywhere I go, I do it for you. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me, I'm doing this for you. Why are you complaining about everything? Girl, you have my heart. I have given it all to you. I will stand by you as long as you stand with me. Don't break my heart. Let's end this fight. It's tearing us apart. I don't like the way it's going. Don't break my heart. It is tearing us apart. You have to believe me that you're the only one I see. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you.
Hello, Commissioner of Police. I just committed murder. Come pick me up. Number 25 Richard Street. I'm waiting.
I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me, I'm doing this for you. Why are you complaining about everything?
Wow! So I finally made it. Jesus. Hey! Juliet, what have you done to yourself? Circumstances turned you into a killer.
He murdered 2 people in cold blood out of frustration. Now you're in jail. I told you to think twice because this might be the biggest mistake of your life. But you didn't listen to me. Look at what you've done to yourself, Juliet. God. I just hope you come out of this alive, my good friend. Ladies, you just have to be careful out there. Please, be contented with whatsoever you have. Juliet, what have you done? I don't know what to do right now. I feel miserable. Juliet!
You the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality, but you keep complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my heart, thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time,